Hello everyone, welcome back to our pythonvibes YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of web development with Django, one of the most popular Python web frameworks out there. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will give you a great overview of what Django is all about. First things first, what is Django? Django is a high-level web framework that allows developers to build web applications quickly and efficiently. It follows the batteries included philosophy, meaning it provides you with everything you need to get your project up and running without reinventing the tool. Now, you might be wondering why to choose Django. So, Django emphasizes try principle. That means don't repeat yourself principle. So, this will make your code base clean and maintainable. And Django is a open source with a large active community. Imagine if you have stuck anywhere while developing the project, for you it's easy to get any help from the Django community. So now you might be wondering why to choose Django. So the main reason developers love Django is its simplicity and readability. Django also emphasizes reusability and allowing developers to plug in components and applications easily, saving precious development time. And it adheres to the best practices and conventions, and it constantly updated with the modern tools and technologies. Let's see what are the applications of Django. Django finds its applications in wide range of web projects, whether you are building a content management system or an e-commerce platform, a social networking site, or even a data analytics tool. Django can handle it all. Its versatility makes it a top choice for developers working on various web applications. And we can even develop the REST APIs for our web applications, and it is suitable for small scale to enterprise level projects and powering popular websites like Instagram and Pinterest. Now let's talk about some key features of Django. First and foremost, Django offers a robust ORM system, that means object relational mapping system, which will allow you to interact with your database using Python code. So here you don't need to worry about the SQL coding. You don't have to write any SQL queries. So we can you don't need to write the raw SQL queries. There is completely a different ORM code you need to learn to interact with the databases. So that is all about the ORM. And next thing is, it also includes a built-in admin interface, making it effortless to manage your application's data. And it prioritizes security against common web application vulnerabilities. So additionally, Django provides excellent security features like protecting your web applications, and it supports URL routing, making it easy to create clean and SEO-friendly URL routing. Moreover, Django's template engine simplifies the process of designing beautiful and responsive user interfaces, and it is easy to use also. That's a wrap up our introduction to Django. We have covered what is Django and why developer chooses and its wide ranging applications and some of its fantastic features. Whether you are a solo developer working on a passion project or a part of team building a large scale application, Django has something to offer for everyone. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comment section below. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.